Hi there, everybody. Time to take a look at your weather forecast for your Friday, and it's going to be a messy one as we've been telling you about all week. Here is what we expect. Snow will begin over southwestern sections by 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, and snow will be falling over most of Newfoundland at that time. Now, a rain-snow mix or freezing rain over the Avalon. Precipitation is going to change to rain over the Avalon, Central, Corner Brook, south to Fort Abbas. So it's going to start out as snow for everybody. We're going to see some mixing precipitation for the Avalon, and then it's going to change over to rain for basically all of the island, with the exception of just north of Corner Brook up towards St. Anthony. So say areas like Rocky Harbor, Port Saunders, and including St. Anthony, you guys will see more snow than you will rain. So let's take a look at what's expected precipitation-wise for the island. So for St. John's, we're looking at about 5 centimeters of snow changing to 25 millimeters of rain. Gander, 15 centimeters, 5 to 10 millimeters of rain. Badger, 15 centimeters with 5 to 10 millimeters of rain. Toward Deer Lake, much of the same story. Possibly going to pick up 30 centimeters of snow for Channel Fort Abbas and about 15 millimeters of rain. And then finally, up towards St. Anthony, looking at 15 centimeters of snow. So that is the latest look at precipitation amounts for your Friday. Now, with regards to what we're expecting for the winds, winds will possibly gust to 100 kilometers an hour. We're probably going to see gusts up to about 120 along areas of the coast. In addition to that, flooding is also a concern with this storm, mainly in the areas that's been seeing these really cold temperatures, about the cold temperature we've been seeing on the Avalon, for example. Because when we get all this rain, that combined with the warming temperatures, combined with the rapid snow melt, that's when we're likely going to see localized flooding for some areas, simply because the water really has nowhere to go. A lot of the storm drains are covered over with ice and debris. So if you have one next to your house, good idea today, see if you can clear some of that away to prevent any future problems from developing. And we're going to take a look at what's expected tomorrow morning traffic-wise as well. Roads across most of Newfoundland tomorrow morning will be snow-covered and slippery to start. As I said, things are going to change to mixed precipitation over the Avalon, so definitely not going to be a good morning tomorrow morning for driving. And things will change to rain for most areas of the island after that, so roads will be wet with water buildup in some areas. Also, if you're driving from Corner Brook to Rocky Harbor up toward Port Saunders, you need to be careful tomorrow as well, especially because you're going to see more snow than you are rain. And that is the latest traffic and weather updates. More at wxcenter.ca.